Good morning, student. Today I will talk about on the topic the fun they had. It is a very famous topic written by Isaac Asimov. The story is set in the future when books and schools are conducted digitally through virtual classrooms. These classes are taken by a mechanical teacher robot instead of a human class teacher. The story starts with two children named Margie and Tommy. They live in the world where computers dominate each and every sphere of life, and how they attend the virtual classes with the onset of virtual schools. The concept of books and classrooms has transformed considerably from the olden days. On 7th May 2157, Margie wrote in her diary about how Tommy found a real book. It was an old book that consisted of stories. Margie's grandfather once told her that when he was a young boy, his grandfather informed him that all the stories used to be printed on paper in those days. Both Margie and Tommy started turning the yellow and crumpled pages of the book to discover more about those days. They found it hilarious to read the book as the words stood fixed in one place instead of moving the way they saw on a computer screen. From this, it is clear that in the future there will be 12 books only and no hard copies of books would be available to read. Tommy exclaims that it is an utter waste to read a book and throw it away once completed. He feels that their television screen has a million books on it and could store a plenty more without throwing it away. Soon they start reading about a school during the ancient times when the teachers were human beings rather than mechanical teachers. Although Margie hated the concept of schools, she is surprised to know actual persons taught at school. This is because she has only seen robots teaching her at school. Moreover, she is not so fond of school that is next to her bedroom, as she does not have any classmates and the mechanical teacher always gives her loads of homework to do. Both Margie and Tommy study in a virtual classroom that includes electronic gadgets, robots, etc. Their daily lesson appears on a computer screen which teaches them different subjects, math, science, etc. Once Margie's mother called the county inspector to fix the mechanical device on which Margie attended her virtual classes. He put the big black screen together again on which all the lessons are displayed and the questions are asked. However, the little girl was disappointed about the device getting fixed so soon. She knew she would again need to put homework and test papers into it through a punch code. Further, as both the children continue reading the book, Margie's mother calls her to attend her classes. While Margie's attend her school, the mechanical teacher teaches about fractions, but Margie's mind starts wondering about the fun her grandparents had while visiting a school in olden days. Those days the school go used to be social building and all the kids of the same age studies together. She imagines how the kids from the different areas in the neighborhood would come together and attend school merrily. Thus Margie gets fascinated about the fun the children had centuries ago when they went to a real school having a physical existence. In this chapter, the fun they had illustrates how emerging technology is slowly taking precedence over various things around us. In the near future, it would not be surprising to see if human teachers are replaced by mechanical devices or robots. Here's a modest attempt from our end to help students understand the chapter in a good way. Students are advised to do and enter summary in notebook and do NCERT question in notebook. Thank you.